Aaron Hardesty here for Hardesty Remodeling and Repair. Got another project going. This time I'm installing a bat box, and it's almost like a bat apartment complex. I'll put a link in the description for the company that sells this product. But if you're looking to get bats to come into the area but don't want them in your attic, this is a really nice system, and so far it's not a bad project to put together other than digging the hole. They require a 16-foot post of 4x6, and since most home centers like Lowe's and Home Depot don't carry a 16-foot 4x6, the manufacturer recommends putting together two 2x6s. So I used some polyurethane glue and 2.5-inch screws to get it put together. But you see how it's set up here. The bats can come up inside of a tube that's a sleeve that goes over this. I'll show that to you whenever I get it completed. But then they come up and then they burrow in to these slats. But overall it ends up making this post about 19 feet, and they want 3 feet down on the ground. All right, we got the post installed, got the concrete around the base, got some temporary braces to keep it until it sets up, but it's all set up and ready to go. I'll get you a close-up on looking up the post of that sleeve, but not too difficult to install. It's going to be a nice system. Hopefully they'll get some bats come and have a colony here. They're great pollinators, and they also eat mosquitoes and other bugs, so really good to have around as long as they're not in your attic. All right, I got it all braced off so it won't go anywhere, but there's your view up the sleeve. It gives them plenty of room to get in around it. Yeah, it should make a nice home for the bats, and it's nice on the just on the outskirts of the property here, and got a nice big tree next to it, and so hopefully we'll be able to get some. Thanks again for coming along for the ride. Aaron Hardesty for Hardesty Remodeling and Repair.